If you see cruise main on the dash of your Honda vehicle, it means that you activated the cruise control. The cruise control is activated with this button in the Honda CR-V 2014, but it may look a little different in other generations and models, but it will say main, cruise, or cruise main, or something like that. So if you see the cruise main light here, it means that you pressed this button and now the cruise control is ready for action. It's not working yet, so you need to set it by pressing this set button when you achieve the desired speed. And if you don't want to use your cruise control, just press this button once more and this problem will disappear. My car was made for Europe, so it doesn't have the main cruise light, but it has the pictogram showing the cruise control. You see this pictogram now. I'm pressing this button and the pictogram is off the screen. I'm pressing this button again and the pictogram goes on, telling me that the cruise control is ready for action. Now I just need to set the desired speed and press the set button to allow my car to maintain the speed. So this light is not a warning light, is not a problem, it just means that you activated the cruise control and you want to deactivate it if you don't use it.